back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. Today's job lead is from the company Ernest. Now, Ernest is a fintech company. They believe in consumer lending that can be improved and doing what is best for the consumer and the borrower. So they are helping people be able to pay down their student loans, pay down their debt, do all kind of great things financially. They are hiring a vendor and purchase order associate. Now, a vendor and purchase order associate is responsible for implementing and maintaining the vendor management and vendor risk management program at Ernest. So you'll collect and review the documentation needed to conduct and perform initial vendor reviews, onboarding, and periodic vendor audits. You'll maintain the central vendor risk profiles, you'll perform checks, you'll respond periodically internally and externally to audits, and you'll draft, submit, and amend all purchase orders. Now, this is open to all states of the United States. They are looking for someone who has 2 to 3 years of work experience as an associate in contract vendor or purchasing administration, or if you don't have that experience, some kind of relevant expertise. Someone who can use a Mac computer and is good with G Suite, and of course somebody who has the ability to grasp and understand and follow processes, so being able to follow direction. They do offer complete health, dental, and vision benefits. They are giving you a Mac computer, so this is going to be perfect of those of you who want to work from home but don't have a home office, because on top of the Mac computer, they're also going to give you a stipend to help you get supplies to set up your home office. Now, if this sounds like something you would be interested in, they pay anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $63,000 a year. And of course, the links, if you want to put those applications in, are in the YouTube description box below. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.